Good afternoon, viewers. Let's take a look at this. This video will show you how to connect your iPhone to the wireless CarPlay, to the Lexus Android interface, Lsailt Android interface with this autoplay box here. And everything could be operated by the original joystick. Firstly, we need to switch to Android interface. Just select the AUX in the media. It's simple. Now we already set the autoplay as one shortcut in the home screen. We just press it. Okay, so we now enter the interface of the autoplay application. Okay. Next, you need to do some operation on your iPhone. Firstly, you need to make sure the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth has been enabled. And then go inside the Bluetooth interface and find some equipment named autoplay-something like we could find here. Okay, press it to connect. Now enter the pairing code. See, now that's going successful. Now we have entered the autoplay interface, the Carplay. The Carplay interface, it could be operated by the original joystick here. Like we want to use the Google Map. Or this could be operated on your iPhone. Okay, there are some more tips when you're using the wireless CarPlay. We switch back to the Lexus interface first. You need to make sure your iPhone could only connect with your autoplay box rather than any other devices, including here, including this Android interface Bluetooth setting. And the Bluetooth of Lexus interface should be turned off too. That's the tips. Thank you for watching this video.